fluffy. Okay, come near. Eh, nice, it's so clear. Come nearer. Hi guys, I'm Esther.
And I'm Ting. And today my friend Leslie, she asked us to help paint her baby nursery room. So we're pretty excited for it.
Yep, so after consulting her friend, she wanted the room to be in a grey theme, and we decided to paint mountains.
Yeah, it's super sweet. We'll show you our idea. Yeah, we can't wait to recreate it and paint the wall.
First up,
Bunnings.
Bunnings!
What is? Now that we're done shopping, we're gonna head over to my friend's Leslie's house.
Let's go! Okay, so we bought this drop sheet. This is to protect the floor from any paint spills and stuff, so I'm just gonna put it on the floor. Step 1! So I'm gonna start with scraping. Never done this before and I'm scared I scraped the whole wall, the whole paint off, but should be fine, I hope. Woo! How leh?
Step 2! So basically for step 2, since she already helped us even out the wall, we added a primer which we bought. There's a small one just to cover up the 3 spots and make the whole wall just even and smooth.
Step 3! So I just drew on the wall with a pencil.
That's about it. Step 4!
We found some problem.
We couldn't open the paint can.
Why is it not opening? I might need your help. Help.
Alright.
Why this cannot open? So sad. We actually ran into some problems and complications opening up the white paint, which we got on discount. It was actually half price.
Oh.
Yeah.
More than that actually.
Oh yeah, more than half price. Yeah, we even bought a paint can opener because I did my research and they said to use a paint can opener in case you dent the tin. And we used the paint can opener, but we still dented the tin and it wouldn't open. Yeah. And yeah, we had to seek professional help. I wanted to try to do it without any strength and like, voila, it opened. Wow, look at this paint! It looks disgusting. It's like milk. Yuck.
Try mixing it.
Okay, using this?
Yeah. To stir it more.
Now it looks like condensed milk. Can you actually see?
Wait, I'll zoom
Condensed
in.
milk. Oh, now it looks nice. Latte art, yo. Oh.
And I guess when we started painting, it was too watery. And when it was too watery, it just looked quite translucent on the wall. So we knew we definitely needed a double coat.
Then the next layer, we decided to paint it grey, but it did not turn out grey. So what we did was we actually had a huge tub of white paint and we had a bit of tint. So we decided to mix a bit of the supposedly grey tint into the white paint, but no, it turned out more blue than we thought. So we had a very nice sky blue.
Yeah, Esther wanted the blue theme even though our theme was grey. So technically she got her way when we ended up painting a blue sky, then a light grey sky.
I can't believe we're two amateurs trying to paint a wall. This is so interesting.
After painting the sky, we decided to paint the sun next, and we painted the sun a very bright yellow.
Yep, and the colour reminded me of my favourite cheesy wedges sauce from KFC.
Yeah.
Not sponsored.
Even after we added white to make it less bright, all she could think of was nacho cheese and mayo.
Yeah, man, it made me really hungry. Not gonna lie.
After painting the sun, we decided to paint one more layer of the mountains, and it was a nice greenish greyish colour. After that, what we did was we double coated all the other elements of the wall before we decided to head home.
And that was the end of day 1.
Woo. Day 2!
Day 2! Well, it's day 2! So we started off by painting and finishing the rest of the mountains.
Yeah, I think overall we really liked the colour scheme that came out. Even though it was unexpected, it was still slightly blue, slightly grey. Bluish grey.
But we loved it. At least
Yeah.
I like it. Yeah, next we painted the trees. So when we did the trees, we painted triangles. So we made stacks of triangles and we wanted to have a rough edge that imitates leaves. So we used the brushes and kind of dabbed it at the side to make the rough edges.
Yeah. Then we started with the small trees because we wanted some trees in the background. Then we made medium-sized trees to make it look a little bit more nearer to us. And then 2 very large trees that were the darkest color that was the nearest to us.
Voila! This is the last one! We're actually done. We actually recorded the last one.
So we finished our accent wall, and I guess we were pretty happy with it. What we did next was we decided to paint the other 3 sides of the walls so that the whole room will look collective and new and in line with the theme, which is bluish grey now. And so we got a friend of ours, Lucas, also to come help us paint the other 3 sides of the wall. We're done!
We're done!
We finished it! I'm pretty happy with it. What about you?
In my opinion, it was a very good experience since it was my first time actually painting a mural on a wall. I think my favorite part was actually mixing the paints. Yeah, it was quite fun, especially like seeing how adding a little tint could change the color so much. And I guess I learned a lot, especially about sanding the wall and stuff, because I totally did not expect to learn how to sand a wall that day. What about you? What do you think?
I really like the outcome of our painting. It's really pretty. I feel like the colors are very warm, very neutral, very comforting for a baby to sleep in. Yeah, but I think most importantly, I really enjoyed the experience, and I want to thank Leslie and Gosun for allowing us to paint in their room, especially with their baby coming. In fact, the baby came the day we finished painting. Yeah, so despite them going through this new era, this new adventure as a family, they allow us to experience it with them by allowing us to be a part of their baby's nursery.
we come to the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching.
Yeah, thanks for staying for the entire video. I hope you guys like our paintings. And stay tuned for more.
Yeah, please do give us a like if you really liked our video.
And subscribe.
Thank you.
Yeah, there might be a part 2 of our baby makeover room. Nursery room. Maybe?
Maybe.
Maybe?
Maybe. I don't know.
We'll see.
Yeah.